It's the weekend. I am doing my shower routine. I decided to show you guys. I mean, it's not the best because I was super tired. Me and my husband, we just finished shooting a sponsored content. So I'm like, oh, and I decided to have a little bit more time to myself. I just wanted to show you guys. I had on makeup, so the first thing I have to do is clean the makeup off my face. Guys, make sure you clean your face super good, all right? If you're feeling tired, I recommend you lighting a candle, because I have one in my bathroom. It just brings in the vibe. It tells my mind that, you know what, it's time to rewind. It's time to unwind, rather, and it's time to get into that, oh, I am going to relax. All right, days like these when I'm super tired, after taking a shower, I like to make myself some ginger tea before bed. It helps you relax. I promise you, it helps. And when I wake up, I feel different. So I think it works because, yeah, once I'm super tired and I make myself some ginger tea, girl, and I drink that tea, drink some water, and go to bed, I wake up feeling not so tired, if that makes sense. But we're here, we're taking off the makeup, taking off our lashes. I did my hair, recorded my hair, so I was trying to be super careful. I was feeling a little bit chilly, so I had the robe on and stuff like that, and because I was back and forth. No, using the Neutrogena balm, it melts on your skin, so it takes the makeup off. I rather using these than the makeup wipes because the makeup wipes is a little bit more harsh on my skin. So what I do is I use this, and both of them was from the same brand, so I feel like the wipes are a little bit more harsh for my skin. I don't really like it, and this one, my skin is feeling so soft. I use this, let the makeup melt on my face as you guys are seeing, and then I'll go in with one of the baby wipe to just clean it off, and that thing comes off. But this is not the end of it. We're gonna have to do more work. Don't think because it feels clean, it is clean. So that's not the case all, okay? So make sure you clean your face and do your skincare. All right. Now it's time for me to shower, and this is my favorite part. Apart from cleaning my face and doing my self-care part with my skin, I love to take a shower, and I like to turn the water on first because I personally take a shower in warm water because it just lets your body feel relaxed. I do wash my face with cold water though, or if I'm being lazy, to be honest, sometimes I'll be in the shower and I wash my face in the shower because I do have one of the cleanser in the shower. Once I get out though, I'll use the cold water and I'll go back over my face. All right, I use the OGX body scrub wash to cleanse my skin. I absolutely love this. I stopped using it for a minute. I was using the coffee, and that's the one I used to use, the brown one, but I found this one and I also love it because it has crystals and lavender in it. It helps you to relax, okay, and calm the senses in your skin or whatever. So it's very calming. So I love this, super love it because it also scrub my skin. So most of the times I don't even have to use a scrub, but I'm also using my loofah, which is gonna scrub all those dead cells or just shedding off your skin. Always try to use a loofah and exfoliate your skin at least twice per week. I don't use this every night. I mostly use it on a weekend because that's the time when I feel like it is needed. I'm more active on the weekends, so I try to scrub my skin, and I tell you, it feels so good. I don't use this on my private. I just use it to scrub my skin, even my foot. And then now, you have to rinse your skin properly. I like to put on a cap on my head just so my hair doesn't get wet, because sometimes, if you guys notice, if you get your hair wet, you go to sleep with that same thing on your head, you can catch a cold. So I don't do that. I really want to ask you guys this. Do you guys brush your teeth in the shower or after you're done? Now, before I was big into skincare, I used to brush my teeth, wash my face and everything in the shower. Now, I just leave it for when I'm out the shower. I'll brush my teeth and then take care of my skincare. I feel like it's more intimate and I spend more time when I do that. Rather than washing my face in the shower, I might forget that I need to rub something on my face. So I want you guys to tell me how you do when you're doing your skincare. Or do you brush your teeth in the shower? Or do you brush your teeth before you get in the shower? Because we have people who do it different ways. In the morning time though, sometimes I'll brush my teeth before I get in the shower. So it all depends, okay? But when I'm spending time with myself or spending time to take care of myself, I like to take a shower, get out, and then take care of my skin or my face. Guys, I recommend you using a paper towel to wipe your face, or if you can change a clean rag every day, that's perfectly fine. After I'm done, I went in and I cleaned my face with toner, and then I'll spray it back on my face. Just because I had on makeup, I like to make sure I clean my face. Now, when I do have on like a wig, I do not completely wash my forehead. I'll go in afterwards and I'll use the toner twice and clean my forehead so the lace doesn't move or the hair doesn't move. And since then, I started to use my rose water at nighttime. I normally don't. I'll use it in the daytime. But after adding my toner, I feel like it both products work together. Like, I like it together and it hydrates my skin, and I love to feel hydrated going to bed so my skin doesn't itch or scratch, I would say, because most of the times I'll scratch it. So I like to do that, and then once that is completely dry, I'll go ahead and add the serum, and then I'll add my something on my lips. I like to use the Carmax. Is it Carmax? That's what it is, right? Yeah. And then I'm using this PFB under my armpit. I don't use roll-ons under my armpit. This helps with discoloration and everything under your armpit, so I'll use this. So I have this one, but you know what? I just found that I can use my toner to clean my armpit because these products are all natural. So once this is done, I don't think I'm gonna buy it again. And then I like to go in with some oil. I love this oil so much, so I'll go in with it. It's lightweight, and I'll just rub the top parts of my skin and just feel, you know, a little zazzy. I always do this before I go in, put on my clothes and kind of lotion my skin more. I'm gonna look something to put on, and I like to sleep in probably a shorts or a top. Most of the times they're matching. And yeah, actually I think me and my husband was here having a conversation. He came in, and look, yeah, you'll know when I'm talking to somebody because I look so different. I'm not focused on the camera. So he was there talking to me and asking me if you want me to do it, and I was like, you should be doing it, so come on. So he went ahead and lotioned my skin for me, which I appreciate that because I was super tired. You know what I get to? Even last night, I got a foot massage, girl. Like, I'm gonna be big on, you gonna have to do this at least once per week. It felt so good because I was on my feet the whole day yesterday. So yeah, a foot massage is definitely a plus. So y'all better ask for it or tell them, like, this should be on your calendar. I need this done every single weekend or twice per week or something. Now it's time to get into bed. It's about that time. Read my Bible. already, and I did all of that, go and bless my kids and everything, and it's a wrap. We're going to sleep. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you know that God is love. Stick by that, and hope you guys have a productive week. Stay positive, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.